What if I told you that the secret to sweeter, bigger blueberries isn't in expensive fertilizer bags, but in 5 everyday organic hacks hiding in your kitchen and backyard? Blueberries are America's favorite backyard fruit, but most gardeners struggle with small harvests or sour berries. The truth? Blueberries don't need fancy chemicals, they need the right organic nutrients. In this video, I'll reveal 5 surprising fertilizer hacks that are simple, sustainable, and proven to boost your harvest. Stay tuned, because hack number 5 is the one most gardeners overlook, and it could transform your blueberry patch forever. Coffee grounds, the acidic boost. Blueberries are acid-loving plants, happiest in soil with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. If your soil drifts higher, nutrients like iron and magnesium become locked away, leaving plants weak and berries small. That's where coffee grounds come in. Instead of tossing them, think of them as a natural soil amendment tailor-made for blueberries. Used coffee grounds contain nitrogen, which fuels leafy growth, and they help maintain the acidic environment blueberries crave. When sprinkled around the base of your bushes, they don't just feed the plant, they feed the soil ecosystem. Earthworms and beneficial microbes flock to this organic matter, breaking it down and releasing nutrients slowly over time. This creates a healthier, more balanced soil structure that retains moisture while staying aerated. But moderation is key. A thin layer spread around the root zone, mixed lightly into the topsoil, works wonders. Too much can compact the soil, so balance matters. You can also compost coffee grounds with other kitchen scraps, then apply the finished compost as a nutrient-rich mulch. Surprising bonus! Coffee grounds act as a mild pest deterrent. Slugs and snails dislike crawling over them, which means fewer nibbled leaves and cleaner fruit. Pattern interrupt. Did you know coffee grounds can act like a mild pest shield while feeding your soil? By recycling something you already have, you're saving money, reducing waste, and giving your blueberries exactly what they need to flourish. Next time you brew a cup, remember, those leftover grounds aren't garbage. They're a secret weapon for sweeter, bigger, and healthier blueberries. Pine needles, nature's mulch. Blueberries evolved in forest environments where pine needles regularly fell, creating a soft, acidic mulch layer. By mimicking this natural system, you give your plants exactly what they're adapted to. Spread a 2-3-inch layer of pine needles around the base of your bushes, keeping them a few inches away from the stems to prevent rot. This mulch conserves moisture, regulates soil temperature, and suppresses weeds. During hot summers, it keeps roots cool and hydrated. In winter, it insulates against frost. As pine needles decompose, they release organic acids that maintain the ideal soil pH. They also add organic matter, improving soil texture and microbial activity. This creates a living, breathing soil environment where roots can expand freely. Pattern interrupt. Think mulch is just about looks. Pine needles actually recreate the blueberry's native ecosystem. Another bonus is aesthetics. Pine needle mulch gives your garden a neat, natural look. It's lightweight, easy to apply, and often free if you have access to pine trees nearby. By using pine needles, you're not just fertilizing, you're recreating the blueberry's native habitat. This simple hack ties everything together: acidity, moisture, protection, and nutrition. The result? Bushes that thrive year after year, producing harvests that are bigger, sweeter, and more reliable. Crushed eggshells, calcium for stronger berries. Eggshells are rich in calcium carbonate, a mineral that strengthens plant cell walls. For blueberries, calcium helps prevent issues like blossom end rot and improves berry firmness and shelf life. Rinse and dry your eggshells, then crush them into small pieces or grind into powder. Sprinkle around the base of your plants or mix into compost. As they break down, eggshells release calcium slowly, enriching the soil over time. Pattern interrupt. Think calcium is only for strong bones? Your blueberries need it too, for stronger, longer-lasting fruit. Calcium also balances soil acidity, preventing it from becoming too harsh. Plus, the gritty texture of shells deters soft-bodied pests, like slugs. This simple kitchen waste becomes a long-term soil conditioner, supporting stronger roots and healthier fruit. By adding crushed eggshells, you're giving your blueberries resilience, berries that are firm, flavorful, and less prone to splitting. Over time, this small habit builds soil health and ensures your harvests are consistently high quality. Composted manure, a complete nutrient. Composted manure is one of the most balanced organic fertilizers available. Rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients, it provides a steady supply of nutrition for blueberries throughout the growing season. Unlike raw manure, which can burn plants, composted manure is safe and gentle. It improves soil structure, increases water retention, and boosts microbial activity. Spread a 1-2 inch layer around your bushes in early spring and let it work as both fertilizer and mulch. Pattern interrupt. Did you know composted manure doesn't just feed plants? It transforms soil into a living ecosystem. The slow release of nutrients ensures steady growth, lush foliage, and abundant fruiting. Manure also adds organic matter, creating a living soil environment where roots thrive. By recycling animal waste into compost, you're closing the nutrient loop, feeding your plants sustainably while improving soil health. Wood ash, balancing acidity. Blueberries love acidic soil, but sometimes gardeners over-acidify with too many amendments. That's where wood ash comes in, a surprising hack that helps balance soil pH while adding potassium and calcium. Wood ash, a byproduct of burning untreated wood, is alkaline. When applied carefully, it can raise soil pH slightly, preventing conditions from becoming too acidic. This balance is crucial because overly acidic soil can lock up nutrients, making them unavailable to plants. Wait, wood ash for blueberries? Isn't that the opposite of what they need? The truth is, balance matters. Sprinkle a light dusting of wood ash around your blueberry bushes once or twice a season. Mix it gently into the topsoil to avoid clumping. The potassium in ash supports fruit development, while calcium strengthens cell walls, improving berry firmness and shelf life. Another benefit of wood ash is its ability to deter pests. Its fine texture discourages soft-bodied insects like slugs, offering mild protection without chemicals. By recycling fireplace or bonfire ash, you're turning waste into a valuable soil amendment. It's a reminder that organic gardening isn't just about adding nutrients, it's about maintaining balance. With careful use, wood ash ensures your blueberries grow in a stable, nutrient-rich environment that supports consistent harvests year after year.